Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be, y'all listen. I'm going to attempt the 10-minute makeup challenge. So yeah, y'all, I have never tried to do my makeup in 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm really just trying to do this for y'all. So I really hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you see more videos like this from me. Now let's hop right on into it. Hey y'all, alright, so in this video, y'all, I am going to attempt the 10-minute makeup challenge. I got my phone here so I can time myself. So we're gonna set this thing for 10 minutes. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. Alright, 10 minutes. Y'all see it? Don't mind my cracked phone now. Don't judge me, okay? Just don't do it. Alright, so 10 minutes. We about to get this thing popping. Alright, it's in the Anastasia. And I'm probably not going to, you know, do so much talking. I'm looking down because my mirror down here, y'all. So, yeah. So, let me know down in the comments. How are y'all doing? Is your life somewhat back to normal? What's going on? Because, I'm just, you know, I just want to check on y'all. Hopefully I can get it done. I'm sitting here 8 seconds in and ain't done nothing. Yeah, I would try to talk to y'all, but I got 10 minutes and I want to get it done. Okay. You know what? You know what? That just, it wasn't, you know, it wasn't cute. It was not. That was not the move. Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, see you later, y'all know. Same stuff. I'm gonna drop this down in that was the time for me to get my daughter a bath, y'all. She in there eating her dinner right now, so we gonna knock this out this challenge. Alright, hopefully. Y'all, I got 2 minutes. I ain't even gonna make it. I ain't even gonna lie. I got 2 minutes. Sis, I ain't gonna make it. But I'm gonna try anyway. Foundation. That was my 10 minutes. So I'm gonna finish my face anyway. Well, since I failed the 10-minute challenge, and y'all, yeah, I got one hand done and one hand not done because I was nail experimenting. So I did one hand and I didn't do this hand. But I did use a nail drill on this hand and I did an unboxing, so I will post that unboxing video for y'all soon. It might be this week, it might be next week, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna post it for y'all soon. So yeah, definitely. All right, so I got this, it is Midnight Masquerade face palette. Y'all see that? And I got this in my Boxycharm subscription. I can't remember if this was, when did I sign up for this? I got June, May, and April. So I think this is when the one I got, it was like, because I signed up with Boxycharm, I got a gift. So this palette was like my extra thing in April. So I'm gonna go ahead and get us a little, you know, a little try, little, you know. I really like this peach color here. Here, y'all, it's right here. Y'all see that? Look at that. It's pretty. So I'm gonna put this on my eye, and I'm just gonna keep it simple. Maybe I should use a clean brush, right? All right, so I'm gonna use my MODA Pro BMX-430 brush. This is the Crease brush, but I'm just gonna use this to just put this pretty pink. Look at that, it is so pretty. I'm just gonna put this on my eye. Keep it basic. I really want to give it like a tint. Nothing dramatic. I was gonna do, you know, a one eyeshadow look if I would have made it, you know, through them 10 minutes. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Really pigmented too. It smells good, y'all. It kind of reminds me of like, it kind of smells like Play-Doh. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so this mirror is a little bit closer. It's pretty. It's real pretty. Give me one. So I felt this, the challenge, y'all. I definitely felt it. So yeah, maybe I'll practice a little bit more, and then, you know what I'm saying, try that challenge again. Going on with this Covergirl. My Stay Matte by Rimmel. I don't know how y'all say that. How you say it. Whatever, however you say it. Take on. I gotta make sure my camera's still recording, y'all. Last time it cut off on y'all. Oh, wait a while. Angle brush. Alright. Satin. Okay, sis. Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's cute. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going in with my Triple X Mascara by Lilly Lashes. I got this in my Boxycharm subscription for this month of June. Oh yes, look at that. Look how big that is. That spoolie is so huge. God. Oh. Almost ruined my eye, y'all. Oh my god, y'all see these lashes though? Like, alright, and for my lips, actually, hold up. So I did get this as well, this Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray Weightless. Yeah, I got this in my Boxycharm subscription as well, y'all. So trying this out for the first time, I really want to see if my foundation does not transfer, as this box said it don't. So yeah. It smells alright. Let me see. I gotta spray myself in the eye that time. I probably just look retarded spraying that spray, period. Alright. Now that I got that done, I'm gonna use this Ruby Kisses lip liner, or I guess you could call it it's a eyeliner, but I'm using it as a lip liner. It's in the color cappuccino or brown. It's a brown. It's a pretty brown. I'm using it to line my lips. Alright, and to top it off, I'm just gonna use this clear lip gloss. I got it out of the beauty store, y'all. It's like $1. Boom. That's it, y'all. That is it. I guess I'm mad off. Alright. Yeah. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you see more makeup videos like this from me. And again, guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.